Hello, myself Dr. Vishwajit Rajput, Assistant Professor, Department of Shalyatantra, Gokul Ayurved College, Siddhapur, Patan. The previous lecture we had discussed about yantra. Yantra, that is Ayurvedic surgical instrument. Today we shall discuss about the Shastra. That means its ancient and the modern view. As we know, yantras are mechanism. What type of mechanism? It is mechanism to remove the foreign body, means shalya, from the human body. As we discussed previous lecture, it has many shapes, functions, types. As you know, there are major six categories of yantra, and total number it is 101. Today we discuss about Shastra, means Ayurvedic perspective and modern perspective. This is the diagram which I got from the internet, which showing that the acharyas are doing different karmas, that is Chedan, Bhedan, Lekhyam, Vedham, Esham, Aharyam, Vistravyam, Sivyam. What is it mean? I will explain in the next slides. These are the different procedures which are doing by our ancient acharyas at that time, which is useful in this modern era also. One by one we learn about what is meant by Shastras, what is its definition, what are the types, what are the uses. तो नेक्स्ट स्लाइड हम देखेंगे अभी. First of all, we discuss about its definition. What is definition of Shastra? Shastra means Tatcha Shastra Karma Ashtavidham Tadyada Chedyam Bhedyam Lekhyam Vedyam Esham Aharyam Vistravyam Sivyamiti. सुश्रुत सूत्रस्थान. There are total 8 types of surgical procedures, namely Chedyam means excision, Bhedyam means incision, Lekhyam that is scraping, Vedyam means puncturing like abscess and etc. These are first you all listen about the definition, then we go one by one about these meanings, their types. Okay, so surgical procedure are of 8 types. They are Chedyam means excision, Bhedyam incision, Lekhyam scraping, Vedyam means puncturing, Eshanam means probing, Aharyam means extraction, like you see in the yantra also useful for the removing of foreign bodies, like that Aharyam, that is extraction. Then Vistravyam means drainage, and Sivyam means suturing. Okay, the instrument which are helpful in performing the above procedures are called Shastras. The instruments which are helpful in performing above 8 Ashtavidha Shastra Karma are called Shastras. What are the Shastra Karmas? By definition, पाटनम वेधनम चैव छेदनम लेपनम तथा प्रच्छनं सीवनं चैव षड्विधं शस्त्रकर्म तत्. Acharya Charak mentioned 6 types of shastrakarmas, that is patanam, vedhanam, chedanam, lepanam, prachanam, sivanam. Actually, different acharyas mentioned in the different कर्माज. पाटनम मीन्स जैसे हम पाटन मीन्स वन टाइप ऑफ flattening basically, flattening the, it is a procedures, all are the procedures. Okay, first before mentioning all the procedures, this is the basic slides, you need to be remember these slides basically. After that, different acharyas mentions their shastra karmas. We adding in that patanam, vedhanam, chedanam, lepanam, prachanam and sivanam. Okay, next slide, it is described by ashtang sangraha, that is they are described 13 shastra karmas. Okay, Shushruta has described 8, Charak has described 6 and Ashtang Sangraha described it is 13, that is Utpatya, Utpatanam, Utpatya, Patya, Sivya, Eshana, Lekhana, Pachana, Kuttana, Chedana, Bhedana, Vedana, Mandana, Grahana, Dahana. These all types are covered in Shushrut's first slide, that is Chedya, Bhedya, Lekhya, Vedya, Esha, Aharya, Vistravya and Sivya. ये 8 टाइप्स में ये सारे कवर अप हो जाते हैं. बेसिकली नेक्स्ट स्लाइड वी डिस्क्राइब क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ शस्त्र. There are, as per the Shushruta, there are 20 types of shastra. As per Vagbhata, there are 26 types of shastra. Anushastra means helping to the shastras, means Anushastras. Shushruta has described it is 14 and Vagbhat it is described as 12. Then move on to the classification and number. The sharp instruments, as per the Shushruta, it is described as Vyumshati Shastrani, means there are 20 sharp instruments. There are total 20 प्रकार होते हैं, 20 sharp instruments. Tadyada, that is Mandalagra, means circular knife. Mandalagra एक एक हम डिस्क्राइब करते हैं. मंडलाग्र ये कैसे होते हैं, हाउ इट इज़ लुकिंग, what is its uses, I will explain one by one later on. So there are 20 sharp instruments which are as follows: Mandalagra, that is circular knife; Karapatra, that is bone saw; Vriddhipatra, scalpel; Nakhshastra, that is nail parer या parer; Mudrika, that is finger knife; Utpalpatra, that is lancet; Ardhadhara, that is single edged knife; Suchi, that is needle which will be straight and half curved or fully curved also; Kushapatra, आटी मुख means scissors और lancets भी कहा जाता है; शरारी मुख, सीजर्स, पेयर्स ऑफ सीजर्स; अंतर्मुख, कर्व्ड विशौरी; त्रिकुर्चक, दैट इज ट्रोकर; कुठारिका, एक्स शेप्ड नाइफ; व्रीहिमुख, ट्रोकर; आरा, ऑल; वेतस पत्र, दैट इज स्काल्पेल; बड़ीश, दैट इज हुक; दंत शंकु, दैट इज टूथ स्कैटर; and final one is Ashani, that is sharp probe or probe director. So we remember in this slide, classification it is 20. There are 20 sharp instruments. Then we remember about karmas. As explained previous slide, I explained these karmas, which are छेद्यम, भेद्यम, आहारम, एषणम, विस्त्राव्यम, सिव्यम. तो हमें इसी स्लाइड में ये सब डिटेल में जानना है. That is classification of Shastra based on the karmas. Means which instrument comes under which karmas. Like Mandalagra and Karpatra has karma of Chedan and Lekhan. Vriddipatra, Nakhashastra, Ardhadara, Mudrika, Utpalpatra having the karmas like Chedana and Bhedana. Vetasapatra, Ara, Kutarika, Vrihimukha having the karmas Vedana. Badisha, Dantashanku having the karmas of Aharana. Eshani have karma Eshana, and remaining Shastras are Vistravana. Vistravan means drainage. Next slide we discussing about in this slide is Shastra Nirmana. Shastra Nirmana mean actually physicians and surgeons, those who have property of knowing or removing or doing any surgical karmas, having its own intellectual power and its own skill. It is a skillful procedures. So Acharya said in this slide, Shastranyetani matimana shuddha shaikyasanani tu karayet karana praptam karmaram karma kovidam. It means intelligent physician should get the instrument manufactured from pure, strong, hard iron by a blacksmith who has expertise and skill in his work. माना बुद्धिमान वैद्य जो होता है इन शस्त्रों को शुद्ध तीक्ष्णायस से कर्ण प्राप्त, माना उपकरण बनाने में जो चतुर है, ऐसे लोहाकार शास्त्र के पंडित से ऐसे कर्म वाले शस्त्र बनवाते हैं. देन नेक्स्ट स्लाइड, गुना ऑफ शस्त्राच. शस्त्र कैसे होने चाहिए. तानि सुग्रहाणि सुलोहानि सुधाराणि सुरूपाणि सुसमाहितं मुखाग्राणि अकरालानि चेति शस्त्र सम्मत. जैसे शस्त्र ये हैंडी होनी चाहिए, माना इट इज easy to handle, made up of good metals, possesses sharp edges, माना it has to do his karmas as Chedana, Bhedana, Vistravya. It is good looking. The business end should be fine and of appropriate size and should not be serrated. What are the Shastra doshas? There are total 8 Shastra doshas, which are Tatra Vakram, Kuntham, Khandam, Kharadharam, Atisthulam, Atyalpam, Atidirgham, Atirasvam, Ittashto Shastra doshaha. Atoho Viparita Gunamatita Anyatra Karapatrat Taddi खरधारमस्ति छेदनार्थम. माना जो अच्छे इसके जो शस्त्र के दोष हैं वो नीचे बताए गए हैं। वक्रम मीन्स जो बेंड होता है, माना वक्रम मीन्स विच इज क्रूक्ड और बेंड। कुंठम मीन्स blunted, not having sharpness. खंडम मीन्स brokened, break हुआ। खरधारम मीन्स हार्ड, very hard. अतिस्थूलम very thick. अत्यल्पम very thin, small. अतिदीर्घम means too long, very long. And atiraswam means very short. So instruments with opposite quality should be used. ऊपर जो बताए अष्ट शस्त्र दोष है उसके बिल्कुल अपोजिट क्वालिटी वाले शस्त्र हो। एक्सेप्ट करपत्र शस्त्र बिकॉज इट्स एजेस शुड बी हार्ड एंड रफ टू कट द बोन्स। What are the Karpatras? I will show in the next slides. I am trying to showing all the different ways of Shastras which are mentioned in the Ayurveda and the modern perspective. First upon we discuss about Mandalagra Shastra. Reference in Ashtangradayam, that is Mandalagram Phaletesham Tarjananya Nakhakruti Lekhane Chedane Yojam Pothiki Shundikaradishu. Means Vagbhata describe shape of the blade of the Mandalagra Shastra like index finger, when its nail point towards the palm of the hand. Next slide, you get the diagram first of all, then you remember the description of the Vagbhata. Vagbhata describes shape of the blade of the Mandalagra Shastra like a index finger, okay. These two diagrams you remember, like a index finger when its nails point towards the palm of the hand, and its uses is Chedana and Lekhana. Remember, this is a round knife which is used in tympanoplasty. Next, Vruddhipatra Shastra. Its slok is Vruddhipatra Shurakaram Chedbhedana Patane Rujatvar Munnate Shophe Gambhire cha Tadanyatha Natagram Prushtato Dirgharasvavaktre Yathayatham Ulpa Ladhyartham Dharakhe Chedana Bhedane Tatha. Means it is shaped like barber's knife. You get first diagram, then we go to its description. Okay, it is shaped like barber's knife. Its purpose is Chedana, Bhedana, Patana. Chedana incision के लिए, भेदन छेदनम एक्सीजन, भेदनम इंसीजन। ध्यान में रहे, कंफ्यूजन न रहे। छेदन एक्सीजन के लिए और भेदन इंसीजन के लिए। पाटन मीन्स मैंने आपको पहले ही एक्सप्लेन किया है पाटन के बारे में, जैसे कि रोल ऑन जैसा करते हैं पाटन प्रक्रिया, रोल ऑन और पीड़न। In Unnata, it is used, Vruddhipatra, it is used in Unnata Shopa, that is elevated swelling. It should be a straight one. And in Gambhira Shopa, means deep swelling, it should be curved. This is Vruddhipatra. It resembles like a medicinal plant, Vruddhi, so the name is. Shushruta uses Vruddhipatra Shastra for the removal of the scrotal tumor. Scrotal tumor. This is the surgical razor, which basically you see in at a barber's knife. It is called also. Next, Karpatra Shastra or Shastra. Karpatra Shastra. References: छेदे अस्थानाम करपत्रम तु खरधारम दशांगुलम विस्त्रारे द्वे अंगुलम सूक्ष्मदंतम सुत्सरु बंधनम. Means it is meant for sawing the bone. First you see the diagram, then I will move its descriptions. This is amputation saw, surgical saw. It is different shape, meant for sawing the bone. It is used mean for sawing the bone. Sawing the bone means cutting, for cutting purpose. Should have serrated margin with fine teeth. Just look the diagram, you get the descriptions. Should have the serrated margin with fine tip. सामने की ओर आप देखते होंगे point tip. Having the length 10 angul, width is 2 angul. Shushruta mention its length 6 anguls. Vagbata mention it is as 10 anguls, and Bhoja its mention is 12 anguls. This is diagram for the amputation saw, bone cutter. These are the different bone cutters. Then move to the Nakhashastra. Nakhashastra, that is nail cutter, having the shloka Vakrar judharam dvimukham Nakashastram navangulam Sukshmashallo dhruti chedabhedda prachanana lekhane. Means it has curved or straight edges and two faces. First I will show the diagram. Then we move to its description. Has curved or straight edges, length of 9 anguls, length of total 9 anguls. Shushruta mentioned it to be 8 anguls. Meant for chedana, bhedana, prachana and lekhana karma. Meant for chedana, bhedana, prachana, lekhana karma and extraction of small shellas, that is foreign bodies. This is the description. Has curved or straight edge, two faces, 9 angul, karma, chedan, bhedan, prachan, lekhan एंड स्मॉल बॉडीज निकालने के लिए, एक्सट्रैक्शन के लिए उपयोग किया जाता है. Shushruta mention its length, it is 8 angular, has one straight edge and one oblique edge. These are different diagrams as per the modern view. Then we move to the Anguli Shastra. Anguli Shastra or Mudrika Shastra is like a ring. First you see the diagram. This is the modern view. This is the Ayurvedic perspective. Anguli Shastra or Mudrika Shastra is like a ring having blade length of 0.5 angul. 0.5 anguls. Its function is similar to the Vruddhipatra. that is mandalagra. What it is? Its function is chedana and lekhana. Chedana and lekhana. It should be worn at the interphalangeal joint of index finger and secured to the surgeons with a thread. Surgeons with a thread. See the first diagram, you get the concept of fourth point. It should be worn at the interphalangeal joint of index finger and secured to the surgeons with a thread. It is used for excision and incision inside the throat. Used for excision and incision lesions inside the throat. This is the modern view. Next is Utpalapatra. Utpalapatra having two edges which are long. First is long edge and the second one is short edge, which is used for chedana and lekhana karma. In the diagram it is clear, having two edges, long edge and the short edge, which is used for chedana and lekhana karma. In the modern it is described as double-edged scalpel. Ardhadhara Shastra, that is lancet. It is difficult to ascertain the exact shape of this Shastra. Some translate it as a single-edged knife. Single-edged knife. That is half of the length. Lengths are mentioned 8 angulas, that is blade 2 angulas, handle 6 angulas. Its length total 8 angulas, blade 2 angul and handle it will be a 6 angul and width it is 1 angul. But in the modern you see it's different blade numbers. Okay. This is about Ardhadhara Shastra, that is lancet. Then we move to the Suchi Shastra. According to the length, Suchi having 3 types, that is 3 angul, 2.5 angul and 2 angul. 3 angul which is vrutta in shape, used in fleshy parts like thigh. 2.5 angula, Suchi is like a bow, used in suturing of Pakvashaya, Amashanda, Marma. Amashaya and Marma. Suchi is like a blow and which is used for suturing. Basically सीवन कर्म के लिए इसका यूटिलाइजेशन होता है. पक्वाशय, आमाशय एंड मर्म. 2 angula, it is used for less fleshy parts like wounds. Okay. Suchi Shastra, according to the length, Suchi Shastra have 3 types: 3 angula, 2.5 angula, 2 angula. 3 angula used in fleshy parts like thigh. 2.5 angula used for the Pakvashaya, Amashaya and Marma, and 2 angula used in the wounds. These are the diagram of Suchi Shastra. These are the surgical needles. 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the numbers given to the surgical needles, like Suchi Shastra. Then move to the Kushapatra Shastra. Kushata vadane stravve dve angulam syatayo phalam. Means it is a form of a knife resembling in shape of the leaf of the कुशग्रास. कुशग्रास के समान इसका शेप है इस नाइफ का. According to the Sushruta, the length of the blade is 6 angula, and according to the Vagbhata, it is 2 angula. You first see the diagram, then we move to the description. According to Sushruta, length of the blade is 6 angulas, and according to the Vagbhata, it is 2 angulas. It is used to drain pus from abscess. Okay. This is the Kushapatra. Chakradatta and Yoga Ratnakara used Kushapatra Shastra to treat the tumors in the neck. Tumors in the neck. This is the modern perspectives. Double-edged scalpel. Then we move to Ati Mukha Shastra. Ati Mukha Shastra, this instrument is like the Jalavardhini bird, or a bird living in a marshes. मीन्स जो बर्ड मरशूज के अंदर रहते हैं, जलवर्धिनी जो पानी के अंदर जो बर्ड रहते हैं, या फिर मशरूज मीन्स इट इज़ अ वुडन प्लांट नेचर वेयर द बर्ड इज लिविंग लाइक हिज, उसको हम क्या कहेंगे, जो बर्ड की जो सामने वाला पोर्शन होता है जिसको हम चोंच कहते हैं, इट रिजेंबल्स लाइक अ बर्ड लिविंग इन मरशूज. ठीक है, मीन्स इट इज़ ए आटी मुख, बेसिकली जलवर्धिनी बर्ड और बर्ड हैविंग इन अ मशरूज. इट्स लेंथ ऑफ द इंस्ट्रूमेंट इज 7 angular and circular in a shape. 7 angular and circular in a shape. Then we move to the Sharari Mukhi. First you see the diagram, means modern, as per the modern it is described as scissors. Then we move to the Ayurvedic perspective. Sharari Mukha Shastra, as Shushruta mentioned, it is Dashangula Sharari Mukhi Sa Kartari Riti Kathyate. The instrument is like a pair of scissors resembling the face of long beaked bird called Sharari. It is a type, according to the Acharya described it is resemblance of bird's mouth. So it described different bird names. Okay, so this instrument is like pair of scissors resembling the face of long beaked bird called Sharari. And according to Sushruta, length of Sharari is 10 angula. According to the Vagbhata, it is 12 angula. It resembles like Kartari, means scissor, and it is recommended to use for evacuating the abscess. It make the deep wound also. It is purpose of suturing, for cutting the suturing, for evacuating the abscess, and different uses. See the diagram. Sharari Mukha Shastra, that is scissors. This is blunt scissor, and this is a sharp scissor. You see the difference? Okay. So now we stop the lecture of Shastra, that is part 1. We described today there are different Shastra having Shastra definition, Shastra karma as per the Sushruta, Charaka, Ashtangradaya, classification of Shastra, Anushastra, their numbers, their names by karma, then Shastra gunas, Shastra doshas, then different Shastras with their diagrammatic representation. So in the next lecture we move on to the remaining parts of the Shastras. Thank you.